Hello friends, welcome to my channel Atunu Khatua. Today I am discussing about me. First of all, I discussing about the IPL Fantasy League. What is IPL Fantasy League? Many people asked for that. So the same similar question তো অনেকেই ask করেছো what is the Fantasy League কি এটা অনেকেই বুঝতে পারছো না তো I will discuss one by one. Okay, and then I go to my main match Kent versus Middlesex. Obviously always I am talking about Kent which favorable for me every time. তো তোমরা সবাই জানো Kent আমার পক্ষে খুবই favorable কারণ last year I won Grand League in Kent match, so obviously I will try my best today also to crack the Grand League. So first of all I'll discuss about the Dream 11 Fantasy IPL League. So you can see you can in your Dream 11 you can see this. There will be a official Fantasy IPL League. So when you click it, you open a page like that. যখনই ক্লিক করবে এরকম একটা পেজ তোমাদের সামনে চলে আসবে. সো আই এম কামিং টু দ্য মেন পেজ. সো হোয়াট ইজ দিস মানে এই লিগটা কী? সো আই ডিসকাস ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান. ফার্স্ট অফ অল this league will be, first of all, first point you have to understand, this fantasy league will be play for the whole IPL season. Means whole IPL season there will be 60 matches. Okay, there will be 60 matches. You have to make a team for previous 60 matches, but there will be a chance to make you a 120 transfers. You will not get what is 120 transfer. Many people are not getting what is 120 transfer. So I will clear all the hesitation ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান. প্রথমেই বলে দিই আমি সব হেজিটেশন ক্লিয়ার করে দিচ্ছি, কোনো অসুবিধা হবে না, ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান আমি ক্লিয়ার করছি. সো ফার্স্ট অফ অল ইউ হ্যাভ টু আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য পয়েন্ট সিস্টেম উইল বি সেম অ্যাজ ড্রিম 11. ইউ ক্যান টেক 1 to 4 উইকেট কিপার, 3 to 6 ব্যাটসম্যান, 1 to 4 অলরাউন্ডার অ্যান্ড 3 to 6 bowler. So as usual in Dream 11. So that not much problem to us. But what is all the people not getting the 120 transfers? So first of all you have to make I go to the create team. Okay, one second, I go to the create team course. Just a minute. Hello friends, we are coming to the main page to create team. So first of all, when I making my team, there are various wicket keeper for every team. You can choose anyone. So what you want to choose? You have to choose for the whole 60 matches. Think about it. তুমি যে প্লেয়ারটাকে চয়েস করবে সে যেন তার টোটাল 60 ম্যাচের পারফরমেন্সের উপর সব কিছু ডিপেন্ড করছে. ওকে, সো ফার্স্ট এখান থেকে তুমি কাউকে একটা চয়েস করে দাও. KL রাহুলকে চয়েস করলে, কেউ ধোনিকে চয়েস করলে, বেশিরভাগ ধোনির সঙ্গেই যাবে. বাট ধোনি লোয়ার অর্ডার ব্যাটসম্যান, তো অবভিয়াসলি KL রাহুল ওপেনিংয়ে আছে. তো এবার চয়েসটা তোমাদের উপর ডিপেন্ড করবে. সো অবভিয়াসলি দিস চয়েস উইল বি up to you, whom you will be preferable for your team. Then come to the batting section. You can choose Rohit Sharma, Shreyas Iyer, Pollard, Virat Kohli. It's up to you. You have to think about the whole 60 matches. Previously when we are playing Dream 11, there is no lineup, no everything. The deadline will be 60 minutes before the match. That type this match will be. Okay, so first of all I think you clear all. Now coming to the main point, 120 transform. Then coming to the main point, that will be 120 transfers. So what is this? First of all, when you making now your team, there will be 3 days to left. So you can make your make your team for 3 days, and you can edit your team unlimited time before the IPL will be start. Okay, তো IPL শুরু হওয়ার আগে তোমরা কিন্তু আনলিমিটেড টাইম টিম এডিট করতে পারো এখন. There will be no hesitation for your editing team. But when the IPL will be start, you will not get a chance to edit the team. But when the first match is happening, after the first match, you can edit your team for the next match. But only you can get a chance to transfer 120 players. Okay, suppose one thing, you playing Chennai Mumbai first match, you are getting all player, not understanding all player making team about Chennai and Mumbai. No, it is not. It's the whole 60 matches. So one thing, you making your first match, you making your team just Chennai Mumbai favorable. But no, don't do this. You have to make 40. You have choose those players who will perform in the Chennai Mumbai match, first match. After that you can change your If you think you after first match you change two players, then you have the one, then you have left one few, then you have left 108 chance. So it's up to you. This is the process of transfer. Okay, so you have 120 transfer in your hand. আফটার একটা একটা ম্যাচ হওয়ার পরেই তোমার কাছে কিন্তু 120টা চান্স থাকবে। ওকে, তো এই জিনিসটাই হলো ট্রান্সফার। সাপোজ ইউ হ্যাভ মেড ইউর টিম ফর ফার্স্ট ম্যাচ, আফটার দ্যাট ম্যাচ there will be editing option open and you can edit your team for next match. So make your team and play it will be fully free, and it will be global rank will be discussed. So you can go through this, and if you not clear about it, you can obviously text me in Telegram. I will clearly discuss. So I think if you all get it, what is 120 transfer, you all have the hesitation for the 120 transfer. So I think you will clear all that. Now now we coming to the our main match. One thing I clear to all, there will be 110 transfer for the group stage. So there you have to change 110 transfer for the group stage. Group stage যে খেলা হবে তার জন্য তোমরা 110টা ট্রান্সফার ইউজ করতে পারবে, বাট for the and 10 for the last 4 matches, এবং লাস্ট যে সেমিফাইনাল ফাইনাল এই ম্যাচগুলোর জন্য তোমরা কিন্তু 10টা চেঞ্জ করতে পারবে। আই থিঙ্ক you all get it. Okay, now I hope you all understand what is 120 transfer. You have in your hand 110 transfer for group from league stage, and 10 transfer for the last 4 matches like eliminator, semi-final, etc. Okay, I think hope you all get understand. Now we coming to our main match, Kent versus Middle. So here we will come to our main match, Kent. So I go through all the stats from the Kent one by one. Jack Crowley and Daniel Bell-Drummond excellent so far. Jack Crowley last match 108 score, not out, excellent batsman so far, and also we won one-sided. But today I expect that he can only score 20 to 30. Okay, don't make him captain, vice captain as well. Okay, keep in your mind. Okay, he don't score, he only scored I think 20 to 30. Now coming to the Drummond is excellent batsman. He has a best record against Middlesex. He can play Middlesex bowler very fluently, so obviously you can try him captain, vice captain today. Now coming to the Joe Denley is a excellent all-rounder. He have the potential to give point both bat and ball. Excellent. He is a leg break bowler, obviously must in your team. Okay, and obviously a best choice for captain. Then coming to the Jordan Cox is a right-hand batsman. He did not play last match. So now coming Kuhu is a late selection, but if Kent batting first, then must try Kuhu is a excellent batsman. Obviously he can play a big role. But he did not get any long partnership today after all. So now coming to the Alex Black is a part-time bowler plus batsman also. He is a good batsman. He is a good record. Now he coming to the lower order as Joe Denley included in the squad, so he is not getting chance for batting, but he is an excellent batsman. When he get chance, he can score 40 to 30 only to 20 balls. So he is excellent attacking batsman. So obviously if bat first, then must try. Jack Lanning also a good batsman, but not getting chance to bat because their top order batsman is so well in every match. So obviously not much effective, but Jack Lanning sometimes he can bowl. So if he bowl 1 over and get 2 wickets, that will be jackpot. So must try in your Grand League team. Okay, then coming to the Grant Stewart obviously a good bowler, but in the all-rounder section less player will take in him, but last match we are taking he get 1 wicket. That 1 wicket point will be different for us, that will be more important. Okay, so obviously must try, you can try. Then coming to the Callum Haggard get wicket in every match, but I not impressive so much. He not much impressive for me. saw her bowling. I saw his bowling, but I don't not much impressive. So now come to the Team Greenwald. Team Greenwald, he play, he's excellent bowler. So obviously must try in your team. He get 1 wicket faster, then he got 1 wicket, but after that he did not get any chance. Matt Inley last match, I don't know what, I just missed Grand League for Matt Inley. He get only 1 wicket. If he get 2 or 3, then easily I can win Grand League. But he just hopeless for me. But no matter. But one thing I always do, that though who lose me in last match, I must try in a next match. It's my logic. So then if he play today match also, I will must try him. Okay. Now coming to the Imran Khan, is a orthodox bowler. So always I told about orthodox bowler. Must try in your team. Orthodox bowler is anytime he can go get 2-3 wicket and he will be expensive. So obviously must try in your team. And then coming to their main bowler, Fred Krashen. He's a death bowler. He's a opening power play over bowler. So obviously he's the main strength bowler of the team. Okay, so must try in your team. So obviously Kent will be favorable for today's match, and Kent obviously strong team, and I think their top 7 player will be Jack Crowley, Drummond, Denley, Klaasen, Coombe, Imran, and then coming to the Kunhu, and my last choice will be either Glenn Stewart. If Team Greenwald play, then Team Greenwald. So my top 7 will be that. Now coming to the, and also I included 2019 stat one by one. You can go through this. Those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and obviously press the bell icon. Now coming to the Middlesex. Okay, now we come into the Middlesex stat. One thing I clear to all, Middlesex will be a bowling favor team. There are 4 main bowlers. They are the main strength of the team. Okay, who are that? There will be Souter, Finn, Hallam, and sorry, their main 3 bowler. Okay, main 3 bowler of the team. You don't drop anyone. If you suppose you drop Nathan Souter got 2 wicket, and you Hallam got wicketless, Finn got wicketless, and your opponent opponent have Souter, you will lose. So don't drop these 3 bowler. Okay, because you will defense from your opponent only by bowler, because bowler can get 1 wicket and give you 25 points. Keep in your mind. Okay, so obviously must try. Okay, now coming to their batting section. Their main batsman, only the wall of this team, will be SKNG. SKNG is a excellent batsman, and he is a best record against sorry, he also a best record against Kent. 84 not out he scored against Kent. Obviously point to be not out. No other batsman has a good record against Kent, but only SKNG has a good record against Kent. Obviously I hope today also he can get obviously a big score again. So the SKNG will be their main wall of this team. Okay, then SKNG must in your team. You can try captain, vice captain also. Now coming to the Max Swinton. Left hand batsman. He is not much effective so much. He just scored 7, 6, 46, 29, 12, 14. I think he will be today also score 22. As Martin Anderson is a all-rounder, but not getting chance with his bowling. Last match he get 1 over, and he just bowl 1 ball and give 15 runs in 1 ball. So obviously not what he doing, I don't know, but he is a good batsman. You can try in a Grand League. Okay, then coming to Nick Cummins. Last match he not playing. He is a part-time bowler also. He is a left-hand batsman, also a leg-back bowler. Must in your team. Okay, now coming to the Cracknell is in last match playing. in a substitute of Gubins and playing also good. He scored 28. Jack Davis not much effective so much. He just scores 16, 23, and 8. Then coming to the Swimson is a excellent. I first two three matches I drop him and go lose a one. Then I last two three matches I follow him and he's a so seriously he's an excellent batsman. Obviously must in your team. Okay. Lincoln is an excellent batsman, not much effective, but he scored 24, 3, 6, 4, 19. Not you can leave him. Okay. Now James Harris not playing last two three matches. So now coming to the Tom Hillam, main bowler of this team. Okay, Tom Hillam he just got 1 wicket, 1 wicket last match, but sorry, Tom Hillam I think he got 2 wicket last match. Sorry. Okay, he got two wicket last match. Then Nathan Souter, he's a leg break bowler, must in your team. Why? All the batsmen of the Kent will be right hand batsmen. So obviously leg break bowler will be more effective. Okay. Crowley right hand batsman, Drummond right hand batsman, Kuhu right hand batsman, Denley right hand batsman. So must in your team. Okay. Don't drop Nathan Souter. Then Finn is a excellent bowler, right hand fast bowler. He also bowl in a death over. He is the captain of the team and he is the main bowler of this team. Obviously, so last match he get wicketless, but don't drop him. So obviously must in your team. Okay. If Kent bowling first, then we take some risks and we can drop him, or then we try to drop him. Okay. Otherwise, we can't drop him. Then coming to the Hallman is also a leg break bowler. He is a excellent bowler. But last match he do not get any wicket. That's why I am also try today also. That's why I must take him. Last match he get wicketless. That's why if he play today, I must try him. That's my logic. Okay, now team come to Team Moulter. Team Moulter also a good bowler. He just get wicket, but he finished his over in power play. So not much. Obviously he get 1 wicket, so you can go with him. So I cover all the player from the here will be the top 4 will be my choice will be Eskenji, Hallam, Souter, Finn. No other choice for me. And if you get another choice, there will be Hallman. Only there will be a 4 choice for me. Okay, I will go with this. You can I cover all the stat. You can go, if you can go through this if your choice and those who are playing Grand League obviously must useful for this. In Grand League must try Hallman Team Murtag also. Okay, and here also included 2019 stat. Those who are in my channel you can go through this and also subscribe my channel, and after subscribe don't forget to press the bell icon. Now we come. The video will be lengthy because I discuss all the fantasy IPL league, so the video will be too little lengthy, but all the stat and information will be helpful for you. Okay, so obviously it will helpful for you. সো ভিডিও একটু বড় হতেই পারে, কিছু মনে করো না, বাট আমি কিন্তু একটা স্ট্যাট তোমাদেরকে কভার করছি যেগুলো তোমাদের কাজে লাগবে. সো অবভিয়াসলি ইটস ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর ইউ আস. নাও কামিং টু দ্য ড্রিম ইলেভেন মেক আস. Now we coming to the Dream 11 straightly. Now there will be wickets and there will be 3 choice. So one will be Swimson, Cox and Davis. My best choice will be going to Swimson. Okay. There will be other choice will be you can go with Cox, but Cox not much effective. But when I making my team, if any, but he is a good choice for Grand League. Okay. Grand League choice, good Grand League choice. Jack Davis also. So obviously not much difference. So you go with Swimson. Swimson is a excellent. Also no other choice. So you go easily go with Swimson. Don't. Then coming to the batting section. Batting section there will be many choice: Drummond, Eskinji, Crowley, Holden, Kuhu, and Cracknell, and Jack Nelling also. The best choice will be Drummond, Eskinji, Crowley. There is no other choice. If batting fast, if Kent batting first, then will be I take Kuhu. Otherwise I don't take him. Okay. Then coming to the all-rounder section. All-rounder section there will be mainly Denley, Blake, Hallman, Martin and again Stewart, and not much play. And if Haggard play, there will be chance to play Haggard. But here the best choice will be Denley. Okay. Black not bowling now because daily bowling is over, so no chance for Black to bowl. Okay, so leave him. We can take more bowler from today's match. Okay, if you try, then you can take Hallman. Hallman, I think one thing to all talk about Hallman. He can expensive today match also. He's a leg break bowler. Obviously, must try him. Now, first I take all my bowlers. So then coming to the bowling section, Fred Carson, Coombe, Matt Mills, if play or either Team Greenwald. Okay. Then coming to the Finn, Hallam, Souter. So obviously the best choice for me. Why? I one thing I clear to all. If you take less bowler from the middle six, only middle six batting getting runs score will be SKNG and Swimson. No other batsman will get normal opportunity. And from Kent there will be many batsmen will get opportunity, but sub the main run scorer will be the opening batsman. If bat fast, if bat fast, then I drop Milnes and take Coombe. Okay. If ball pass, then I take to then I go to cover all the bowler. Then I also take the Grant Steroid also. So now my team will be that I will go with this team. My captain will be easily Denley. No other choice. He will the best. He will give you the batting bowling point steadily. So don't and vice captain chalo best choice will be Skinji. Don't go with Crowley today. One thing clear to all, don't go with Crowley. If you choose then Drummond, then you go with Drummond, but don't go with Crowley. Now Crowley will be highly can score 20 to 30. Okay, don't do that. So I save my team. So my team will be that. After lineup coming, I give my final team in my Telegram channel. Those who new in my channel, in link in the description, you go through this and join my Telegram channel. সো কালকের মতো আশা করছি আজকেও আমরা কিছু রক করার চেষ্টা করবো, এবং যারা আমার চ্যানেলে নতুন এসো তারা অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও, এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে অবশ্যই যেন বেল আইকন প্রেস করতে ভুলো না। তোমাদের ভাই তোমাদের জন্য খুব চেষ্টা করছে খুব ভালো রেজাল্ট করার জন্য, এবং আশা করি আজকেও খুব একটা ভালো রেজাল্ট করবো, সেই মতোই কাজ করছি। এবং তো যারা ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকলে অবশ্যই লাইক করো এবং প্রচুর শেয়ার করো। তোমরা শেয়ার করলে তবেই তো তোমাদের ভাই গ্রো আপ করবে। তো thanks for supporting me, and I hope you all thanks like that all support me all time. Okay, thank you.